Understanding the Summer of Discontent, a deep dive into language and history. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase that blends history with language, Summer of Discontent. This expression is not just a set of words but a window into significant historical events and cultural expressions. So, let's embark on this journey together to uncover its meanings and usage. The phrase, Summer of Discontent, is inspired by a line from William Shakespeare's play, Richard III, Now is the winter of our discontent. Shakespeare used it to reflect a period of unhappiness and dissatisfaction leading to a hopeful change. However, the modern phrase often refers to a specific historical event or period characterized by widespread unhappiness, protests, or social and political unrest during the summer months. One of the most notable uses of this expression refers to the Winter of Discontent in British history during the winter of 1978-1979. This period was marked by widespread strikes and industrial action by public sector workers demanding better pay and working conditions. When similar events occur in the summer, journalists and historians might refer to them as a Summer of Discontent, drawing a parallel to this historical period but highlighting the seasonal difference. When you come across or use the phrase, Summer of Discontent, it's usually in reference to a specific time when there is general dissatisfaction among the public, often resulting in protests, strikes, or civil unrest. It's important to note that the use of summer doesn't always literally mean events happening during the summer season. Instead, it signifies a period of notable unrest or dissatisfaction that could metaphorically align with the concept of a heated or intense situation. In recent years, the phrase has been used to describe various periods of significant public unrest around the world. For instance, if there were major protests against government policies during the summer months, media reports might describe this scenario as a Summer of Discontent. This usage underscores the ongoing relevance of historical events in shaping our understanding of contemporary social and political issues. We hope this exploration of the Summer of Discontent has not only expanded your vocabulary but also given you insight into how language and history intertwine to reflect societal sentiments. Remember, English is not just a language but a tapestry woven with the threads of history, culture, and human experiences. Thank you for joining us today, and we look forward to uncovering more fascinating aspects of the English language together in our future videos. Stay curious, and keep learning.